Hi, welcome to another Talk Jamaican. Today is your lucky day because not only will you be exposed to some more of the Jamaican patois, but you're gonna learn some more of our culture because I will be discussing some of our proverbs, wise sayings from our ancestors that have been handed down to us to help us live a better life. I will be introducing some of these to you and giving you my take on what they mean. So just hold on for a few seconds. We will be back with you. Welcome back. See, I had to put on my glasses as, of course, I cannot remember all our proverbs. So I have to read them, but give you my take on it. So here goes. When trouble take you, picnic shot fit you. In other words, in times of crisis, we do almost what is impossible. Haven't you seen like videos of persons lifting up cars because, for instance, a loved one was trapped under it? That's what happens. In times of crisis, we achieve the impossible. When trouble take you, picnic shot fit you. Number one, number two, what I feel can be unfeel. What I feel can be unfeel. In other words, there are certain this expresses a belief in fate. There are certain things in life that are inevitable, and this refers to it. What I feel can be unfeel. Number three, the higher monkey climb, the more him body exposed. This one is so true. You will see that throughout life, especially now in the days of social media, people become famous and suddenly they are scrutinized more by the press, and things that they had thought that had been forgotten arise. So because they have moved up in life, they have become more scrutinized. We say in Jamaica, the higher monkey climb, the more him body expose. When puss belly full, he say rat body think. The more we achieve the things in life, the more we tend to reject them and move on. So things that we may normally eat and enjoy, once we can, it is easily available. We just throw it aside. You must have heard Maslow's theory of needs, and this really is the Jamaican version of it. Because once you have achieved certain basic things, you move on. When puss belly full, in say rat batty thing. Number five, if fish come from river bottom and tell you say alligator have gum boil, believe him. Now, you may not know what gum boil is. Gum boil is a swelling around the tooth and is very painful. So it would seem impossible that a fish could know that an alligator has gum boil. But this is basically saying that there are certain things that may sound impossible, but don't disbelieve it if people, or yes, people who have experience tell you about them. Just because it may sound impossible to you doesn't mean that it's not true. Young bud no know storm. Young bud no know storm. Inexperienced people really can't help you because they don't know much about life. This is basically what it's saying. Young bud no know storm. So inexperienced people cannot help you much in life. And no true bud no have fat, making foot tan so. And no true bud no have fat, making foot tan so. This one is saying that there are some things in life that are inexplicable. Look at a bird. Look at how skinny the feet, the legs of the birds are, um, regardless of how fat the body is. We can't explain why they were made this way. So it is saying that some things are inexplicable. This one says, man no dead, no call him dopey. This simply means you must not be too eager to write off people. You never know that when they will bounce back. They may appear to have reached rock bottom and you're quick to write them off. No. If people can bounce back. So those are the wise sayings of my ancestors that I'm passing on to you today, as well as teaching you some more how to speak Jamaican patois. Remember to get my book, Talk Jamaican, from Amazon.com. And we will soon be together again. Have a wonderful day.